What's up, YouTube? The Common Sense Professor here. We're going to do a 60-second review on the Favofit Hammock Carabiners. These are available on Amazon for $17.99 for the set of two. They are Wiregate carabiners. I'm also going to compare them with the Eno carabiner here. They have a rating, and this is the amazing part about it. You're wondering, why in the world would I spend that much money on carabiners for my hammocks? Well, they come with the rating of, let me get that to zoom in there, 2,500 pounds. Here's the Eno carabiners. You can see a little difference there. The Favofit is just slightly larger. They have a little bit more of an opening, and like I said, they are a lot sturdier than the Eno. The Enos have a capacity of 400 pounds. Right there on the carabiner. So there you go. I highly suggest these carabiners, and I'm going to do another video showing the upgrade on my legit camping hammock.